Today, our topic is homogeneous earthenburn with rock toe and toe drain. Okay, the title is homogeneous earthenburn with rock toe and toe drain. This is the our topic. Okay, okay. The rock toe and toe drain should draw on the downstream side of the burn. Okay, downstream side of the burn. These two diagrams should draw the downstream side of the burn. Okay, see here. This is the homogeneous earthen burn. Okay, this is the homogeneous earthen burn without rock toe and toe drain. Okay, this is the only normal earthen burn without rock toe and toe drain. Okay, this is the homogeneous earthen burn. Another diagram, this is the homogeneous earthen burn with rock toe. Okay, with rock toe and toe drain. Rock toe and toe drain. Okay, this is the structure of rock toe. This is the structure of toe drain. This is the rock toe and this is the toe drain. The purpose of these two structures helps in trapping any seepage water and to prevent the entry of base material of the earthen burn. Okay, the purpose of these two structures trapping the seepage water and to prevent the base material of the earthen burn. Okay, see here, this is the earthen burn. With rock toe is the upstream side and downstream side this is the reservoir. Okay, the storage water have some pressure on the towards earthen burn. Okay, this storage water have some pressure towards the earthen burn. Okay, the water is passes into the small voids towards the downstream side. Okay, this water is passes towards the downstream side. Okay, these passes water is called seepage water. Okay, this seepage water will carry the some soil particles towards the downstream side. Okay, this seepage water will carry the some soil particles towards the downstream side. Okay. Okay, so here this structure, that is rock toe, this structure is prevent the soil erosion. This structure is prevent the soil erosion, and this section, this is the toe drain. This section, this structure is collect the seepage water, and sent to away from the earthen bun. Okay, sent to away from the now we will practice the diagram. Okay. Okay, now see here, this is the question. Okay, this is the question of the diagram. Okay, see here, draw the cross section of a homogeneous earthen bun with the following specification to a scale 1 is to 50. Okay, to a scale 1 is to 50. Scale is 1 is to 50. Okay, see here, these are the specifications of the diagram. Okay, first one, top width of bun, 1.5 meter. Okay, 1.5 meter is 1500 mm. Okay, top width of bun 1500 mm. 1500 mm. Okay, next TBL. Okay, TBL means top level, top bund level. Okay, top bund level, TBL, top bund level. The top bund level is plus 57. Okay, the top bund level is plus 57. Next, general ground level. General ground level is plus 50, and stripped ground level is plus 49.70. 49.70. Next, side slopes. Okay, the side slope of earthen bun 1.5 is to 1 on upstream side. Okay, the side slopes of earthen bun. Okay, this is the earthen bun, is the side slopes upstream side and downstream side. Okay, the side slope of the earthen bun on upstream side is 1.5 is to 1. This is the ratio of side slope. Okay, this is the ratio of side slope. And see here, this is the 1.5 is to 1 upstream side and 2 is to 1. Okay, 2 is to 1. This is the downstream side. Okay, the downstream side of the slope, protection of upstream face of the bund. This is the upstream face of the bund. Okay, upstream face of the bund provided with 300 mm thick rough stone revetment. Okay, upstream face of the bund provided 300 mm thick rough stone revetment over 150 mm thick gravel backing. Okay, 150 mm thick gravel backing. Okay, this revetment is founded on rough stone wall 1 meter wide and 1 meter deep. Okay, 1000 into 1000 mm. Okay, next, protection of a downstream toe of the bund. Okay, protection of a downstream toe of the bund. Okay, a rock toe with 300 mm boulders is provided with 900 mm top width and top level of rock toe at 51.20. At the level 51.20. Side slope of the rock toe 1 is to 1. The ratio of the side slope 1 is to 1. Sand filter. Okay, 200 mm thick and rear face and the bottom of the rock toe. Okay, the sand, okay, sand filter 200 thick and rear face and bottom of the rock toe. This sand filter we have to provide the this side of the rear side of the rock toe and bottom side of the rock toe. Okay, this is the structure of rock toe. Okay, that means the 200 thickness sand filter, rear rear side of the, this is the rear side of the, and stripped ground level is 49.70. Okay, 57 minus 49.70. Okay, 57 minus 49.70, it is equal to 7.30. This is the TBL, that means the height of the earthen bun from stripped ground level. Okay, 7.30, this is the height of the earthen bun from stripped ground level. Okay, from stripped ground level to the height of the earthen bun is 7.30. Okay, we have to draw the this point. Okay, from stripped ground level to top of the bun. Okay, 7.30. Okay, this is the point of TBL, top bund level. Okay, next we have to draw the top width of bund. Okay, top width of bund. Okay, top width of earthen bund 1.5 meter. Okay, from reference line. Okay, from reference lines to towards the right side 750 and left side 750 Okay, total the width of bund is 1.5 meter. Okay, total the earthen bund is 1.5 meter. Okay, this is the level of 57.00. Okay, general ground level and stripped ground level, this is the top width of bund. Okay, after completion of this point we have to erase the reference line. Okay, we have to erase the reference line. Okay, next side slopes. Next, see here, side slope of the earthen bun 1.5 is to 1 on upstream side. Okay, 1.5 is to 1 on upstream side, 2 is to 1 on downstream side. See here, this side is downstream side, this side is upstream side. Okay, 1.5 is to 1 on the ratio of upstream side is 1.5 is to 1, the ratio of downstream side of the bund side slope 2 is to 1. Okay, 1 is to 1. Okay, see here, 1 is the constant, that is the vertical height, 1.5 is the horizontal length. Okay, see here, we have to draw the side slope by using this ratio. Okay, 1.5, that is the horizontal distance, 1 is the vertical distance. Okay, from end point of the bund, top width, end point of the bund, we have to draw the one vertical 1 centimeter at downside towards downside and 1.5 centimeters towards left side. Okay, this is the 1.5, this is the 1. Next, downstream side slope. Okay, 1 is vertical, 2 centimeter is the right side. Okay, that means 2 ratio, that means 2 centimeter. Now we have to draw the side slope of the earthen bun on upstream side. Okay, next we have to draw the slight slope on downstream side based on this ratio. Okay, upstream side and downstream side. Okay, this is the structure of the earthen bar. Next, after the completion of this structure, we have to draw the upstream side revetment and rock toe. Then next, downstream side rock toe and toe drain. Okay, see here the specifications. Protection of upstream face of the burn. Protection of upstream face of the burn. Upstream face of the burn provided with 300 mm thick rough stone revetment. Okay, upstream face we have to provide the 300 mm rough stone boulders, that means revetment. Okay, over, see here, over 150 mm thick gravel backing. Okay, with the supporting of gravel backing we have to provide the rough stone boulders. Okay, see here diagram. 300 mm from stripped ground level. Okay, from stripped ground level to TBL, tank bund level. Okay, stripped ground level to TBL, stripped ground level to TBL, up to TBL. 300 mm rough stone boulders. Okay, 300 mm rough stone boulders revetment. Okay, 300 mm rough stone revetment. Okay, next 150 mm gravel backing. Okay, 150 mm thick gravel backing. These slope lines we have to draw parallel to the upstream side face of the burn. Okay, this is the gravel backing, 150 mm thickness gravel backing. Okay, next see here, this revetment is founded on rough stone wall 1 meter wide, 1 meter deep. Okay, that means this revetment, okay, ఈ రివేట్మెంట్ అనేది మనం ఎక్కడ డిజైన్ చేయాలి అంటే విత్ ద 1 meter depth of rock toe and 1 meter the width of rock toe. ఓకే, ఈ రాక్ టోలో కూడా సేమ్ 300 mm బోల్డర్స్ని ప్రొవైడ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ ద రాక్ టో. ఓకే, 1000 mm wide and 1000 mm deep. Next, after the completion of this structure, we have to draw the downstream side of rock toe and toe drain. Okay, see here the specifications of downstream side rock toe. A rock toe with a 300 mm borders is provided with 900 mm top width. Okay, a rock toe with 300 mm borders is provided with 900 mm top width and top level of rock toe at 51.20 meters and the top level of rock toe at 51.20. First of all, we have to mark the 51.20 point. 51.20 point. This is the general ground level. This is the stripped ground level. The general ground level is 50.00. Okay, now we have to point out the 51.20. okay, see here, this is the 50.00. next, vertical height from general ground level to 1.20 height. See here, the top width of rock toe on downstream side, sorry, the top level of rock toe on downstream side 51.20 and general ground level minus general ground level 50.00 1.20. This is the height of the rock toe on downstream side from general ground level. Okay, from this point to this point. Okay, this is the 51.20, the top level of rock toe on downstream side. Okay, the top width of rock toe on downstream side is, see here the question, 900 mm top width. Okay, the top width of rock toe on downstream side is equal to 900 mm. Okay, from this point to 900 mm. Okay, this is the top width of rock toe, top width of rock toe. Okay, next, see here the side slope of rock toe. The side slope of rock toe 1 is to 1. The side slope of rock toe 1 is to 1. Okay, from stripped ground level to the top level of rock toe is 1.5 meters. Okay, based on this value, we have to draw the side slope of the rock toe on downstream side, 1 is to 1 side slope. Okay. Okay, this is the trapezoidal shape. Okay, trapezoidal shape of rock toe. Okay, next to 200 mm thickness sand filter. Okay, 200 mm thickness sand filter. Okay, sand filter, this is the 200 mm thickness sand filter. 300 mm rough stone boulders, same upstream side and downstream side of the rock toe. Okay, we have already provided upstream side 300 mm boulders. Now 300 mm boulders on downstream side as it is said. Okay, this is the rock toe of the structure. Okay, next, after the completion of this structure, we have to draw the toe drain. Okay, toe drain, the bottom width of toe drain 1 meter, the side slope of drain 1 is to 1, level of toe drain 49.00. Okay, see here, this point is very important to us. The level of toe drain 49. Okay, level of toe drain plus 49. Okay, this is the level 49.70, stripped ground level 49.70, the bottom level of toe drain 49. Okay, the bottom level of toe drain 49. Okay, we have to draw the toe drain below the stripped ground level. Okay, see here the continuation of rock toe. Okay, the continuation of rock toe slope, we have to draw the toe drain. Okay, this is the level 49.70. Okay, this level is 49. This is the bottom level of the toe drain. Okay, this toe drain, the side slope of the drain 1 is to 1. This is the continuation of rock toe. After that, we have to draw the this side slope. Okay, this is the toe drain. Okay, next, this is the level plus 50, the 300 mm thickness boulders 49.70, bed pitching and side revetment of toe drain. Okay, 300 mm thickness bed pitching, 300 mm thickness thick bed pitching, and here also 300 mm thick revetment. Okay, this is the structure of homogeneous earthen with rock toe and toe drain. After completion of these two structures, we have to draw the key trenches. Okay, these key trenches, see here, key trenches 1.2 meter wide and 0.6 meter deep at 4 meter center to center. Okay, first of all we have to take the width of key trench 1.2 meter, the depth of key trench 0.6 meter. Okay, see here, the width of trench 1.2 meter, the depth of trench 1.2 meter, the depth of trench 0.6 meter, the width of trench 1.2 meter. Okay, now we have to draw this key trenches from center point of the rock toe. Okay, this is the center point of the rock toe, from this point to 4000 mm, center to center. Okay, 4000 mm. Next another 4000 mm. Next another 4000 mm. Okay, sorry, another 4000 mm. Okay, this point is the center point of the key trench. Okay, center point of the key trench. Okay, from this point we have to draw the width of, based on this point we have to draw the width of key trench. This is the center point of key trench, the width of key trench is 1.2 meter. From based on this point we have to draw the width of key trench. Okay, this is the center point. Okay, from center point to right side 0.6 meter, 0.6 meter. Okay, 0.6 meter, 0.6 meter. Okay, 0.6 meter, 0.6 meter. Okay, just 3 key trenches. Okay, 0.6 meter, 0.6. The depth of key trench. Okay, the depth of key trench from stripped ground level to 0.6 meters. Okay, 0.6, 0.6, 0.6, 0.6, 0.6, 0.6. Okay, this is the structure of key trench. We have to remove the middle represented points. Okay, okay, the width of key trench 1200 mm, the depth of key trench 600 mm. Okay, this is the homogeneous earthen bun with rock toe and toe drain. Okay, rock toe, toe drain, key trench 150 mm thick gravel backing. This is the downstream side slope, this is the upstream side of the side slope. This is the revetment, 300 mm thick borders revetment, 300 mm thick revetment. This is the rock toe on upstream side. Okay, this is the total structure of the homogeneous earthen bun and rock toe. Okay, thank you.